Hello, I'm Graham Huguet with My House Design Build Team. We're here today on the north side of Coquitlam on this beautiful green belt at Garden Oasis. That's the name of this project, and what a great title for this beautiful backyard, outdoor living space, and amazing garden. We also have an amazing interior space we're going to take you through. Kelly, our project consultant, Morgan, our design lead, they're going to describe some of the ins and outs of this project. We've got an amazing team that have put this together. We look forward to showing you all that it has to offer. Come on inside and let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Kelly. I am a project consultant here with My House Design Build. We brought our team together with the goal of taking advantage of this beautiful outdoor space, but the entire house needed updating. Our client is a photographer, so it was especially important to bring in as much natural light as possible, which we did by adding large windows and beautiful patio doors. Everything needed to be renovated and updated in the space, so it was an excellent opportunity for the homeowners to make it their very own.
Hello and welcome to our Garden Oasis renovation project. My name is Morgan Weldrick and I'm the interior designer on this job. These clients first contacted us after purchasing this home. They fell in love with the beautiful backyard, which backs onto a protected ravine. And the clients wanted to update the 90s home and make it more modern and create a cohesive connection between the indoor and outdoor living spaces. At the front door, it was originally an angled entrance and it opened up onto a curved staircase. We reframed the entry wall to make the door flat along the front wall and removed the old staircase. With the reconfiguration of this area, it allowed us to install an L-shaped open riser stair with frameless glass railings. And this produced a clear view directly to the backyard as you enter the house, giving it that wow factor and open concept feeling. We were able to take a house with many small rooms and create a great room space at the back of the home, which affords the owners ample space and an amazing view for when they entertain their guests. The kitchen is integrated into the great room space, adjoining the sitting room and the living room. In the kitchen, we installed custom locally made cabinets to the ceiling. By stacking the cabinet to the 11-foot ceiling, we were able to have feature glass doors at the top to display some of the client's collectibles. This allowed us to maximize the height and storage of the cabinets, created a grand feel, but it keeps most of the items that are commonly accessed at a reasonable height. The perimeter counters are meant to resemble concrete, and the island counter, which has a 3-inch mitered edge, looks like a natural stone even though it's a user-friendly quartz. We painted the island in a feature color to create a dynamic look and define the space. And as always, we maximize the functional accessories inside the cabinets to make living in and using the kitchen a joyous experience. We also framed down the ceiling in this area to create a coffered ceiling detail. The adjacent pantries to the kitchen were a perk of reconfiguring the floor plan. We have one walk-in pantry to house a lot of small appliances and bulk food, and a walk-through pantry to the dining room, very similar to a butler's pantry, which has a wine fridge and glass doors to showcase the client's glassware collection. With a small addition at the back of the house, we were able to enhance the great room space to allow for a sitting area. This area does have the opportunity to become a dining room down the road if the client wishes to alter how they use the space. This sitting area allows the clients to enjoy the view of the back on rainy mornings while they enjoy their coffee snuggled on the couch. The living room area includes custom walnut cabinetry, which is stained to match the feature staircase. This dresses up functional storage for the clients and creates a more formal feel. We replaced the gas fireplace insert in this area and recladded the fireplace in a white stacked stone. Again, we installed a concrete mantle to protect the TV from the heat from the fireplace and keep the TV at a reasonable viewing height. Off the sitting room outside, we added a glulam and glass roof structure to bring protected enjoyment of the yard on days with inclement weather. This roofline we designed with a hip to replicate the roofline of the home, and it makes it look like it was always meant to be a part of the structure instead of an add-on. With an electric heater and low voltage LED lighting, the clients can be dry and warm year-round in this outdoor space. In the dining room, we maintained the vaulted ceiling. This space was previously the formal living room, and the clients opted to maintain the existing gas fireplace in this room. We simply replaced the older gas insert and clad the face of the fireplace with a natural stone veneer and concrete mantle. To enhance the height of the ceiling, we created a paneling detail to draw your eye up and fully appreciate the vault. The pretty little powder room stayed the same size and in the same location as it was originally, but we dressed it up with a furniture-style walnut vanity, an art piece bronze sink that's absolutely gorgeous, and a lovely metallic floral wallpaper to bring the whole look together. Another perk that the rear addition of the home created was an awesome opportunity on the second floor to increase the size of the master ensuite. It allowed us to include an oversized walk-in shower, a double vanity, and a freestanding soaker tub. All of which overlook the backyard through the large window. Originally, this space consisted of a lot of hallway and ineffective closet spaces. We hope that you are as excited about our Garden Oasis project as we are, and we look forward to sharing future projects with you soon.